Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix the app you are trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of problem while downloading any application or any software, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. You can see here Settings. Just click on Settings, or you can search it from here, Settings. Let's click on Settings. After that, in left section you can see here Apps. Just click on Apps. Guys, you can see here Apps and Features. Just click on this. In Apps and Feature you can see here choose where to get app. In your PC, if it is selected the Microsoft Store only, then you have to select this one. You have to select as anywhere. After selecting anywhere, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the app you are trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.